welcome to Vlogmas day number 6. How are you? We are gonna do nails together. A few of you guys want to know how I do my press-on nails, and you guys asked in the right time because I popped off my nails last night and we are gonna redo it. I'm gonna go see Usher tomorrow, so today is the day that I have to do it. I'll see you guys in the next clip. I am not a professional. I just picked up a few things here and there over the time that I've been doing my own nails, well, my press-on nails. Nail history, my nails is very fine. I always had fine nails growing up, very thin nails. So any little thing that I do, my nails will chip no matter what. This is the healthiest my nails has ever been, okay? And that's from me taking all my vitamins. I take vitamins every day, and I've been really consistent with my vitamins like every single day for the past 4 months. I haven't skipped a beat with that. These press-on nails that I do on myself last 14 days and over. So you get a good 2 weeks worth, and I think that's fine. I'm a type of person that I like to switch up my nails all the time. That's just me. Right here, I have my acetone I got for $4.99 in Burlington. I have a nail cleanser, so I cleanse my nails. Cotton swab. This is nail oil. One of you beautiful subscribers gotten for my birthday. It smells so nice. I have a wooden nail pusher, and then I have gel polishes. If I'm putting press-on nails, I don't really use base coat. That's just me. So I just have a top coat. This is from the brand Nail Addict. It's no longer a business anymore, but they gave me so much nail polishes. I just still have them. This is a gel polish that I got from Amazon, and we're doing brown. Actually, I never did brown before, so it's going to be a first. I hope we like it. I hope I like it. I have nail glue. This is one of my favorite nail glues. I also got it from Amazon. Really, really good, okay? Kiss nail glue, don't cut it, okay? That's like amateur stuff. This is the big dog. And then I feel like this really helps with the prep of your nails. You need a really good dehydrator, okay? And this is really good. And then these are everything I need to prep my nails, okay? I got a drill. This drill I got from Amazon. It was $8, and it comes with different heads, but I always use this that's just me. And I got these nails from Amazon. These are short, I think, oval nails. I feel like oval nails look good on me, or almond nails look really nice on my hands. And then we have my little mini UV lamp. This is the only lamp that does not irritate my nails. Like I said, I have very thin nail beds, so UV light can really be harsh on my nail beds. So now you have an idea of everything that I use, because that's what you guys wanted to know. It's super simple. I'm not like a nail guru or anything, but that's just what I use. Okay. Okay, so this is my nails. It's looking pretty crazy. So what I like to do is that I like to even it out. I like to file my nails down and even it out a little bit so it could grow even underneath the press-on nails. Okay, so everything is pretty much filed down. Now I'm just gonna push my cuticles just lightly. Just lightly. I don't really do much with my cuticles. Some people like to cut their cuticles. I don't do that. My nails are very sensitive, and if I start doing things like cutting around my cuticles and stuff, I'm going to cut myself, and that's something that I just cannot deal. This, I don't know what happened at work. I don't know, but this looks crazy. So that's it. I just push everything back. Now I'll take my little drill and I drill my nails. It's very light, so it's almost like I'm buffing everything. And I like how this is very thin, so I can get in the corners of my nail bed. So see how I'm just getting in the corners of my nail bed? See if I could show you how close that is. Yeah, let me do that. So I'm getting really close to my nail bed. All right, that looks pretty buffed out. So I'm gonna do the other hand. Be right back. Okay, so everything is buffed out. I take, this is so beat up, but I take this side, it's the less coarser side of this, and I just run through my nails with this to make everything smoother. The trick is you want your nail beds to be as dry as possible. Press on nails. I have phases when it comes to nails. For me, sometimes I like my nails short squared, sometimes I like it short almond or short round. Those are the three shapes that I tend to gravitate towards lately. Now I've been using this one right now. Link it down below. I feel like this is their short almond press-on nails. I got this from Amazon. So right now I pretty much go through all of this and see which one fits. I pretty much have an idea of what fits and what doesn't. And I feel like this makes a world of a difference. So I just file just half of the portion of the nails inside. I feel like it just helps with the longevity of the nail. All right, so now I drilled the inside of the nails. Now we're gonna use the dehydrator. And I feel like this is one of the most important steps. Like I said, when you do press-on nails, your nails have to be very dry. I'm taking my Nail Bond glue, which I got from Amazon, which is one of the best portable nail glues out there. First, I like to just do a little dot in the center of the nails. Just a dot. And then it's almost like nail polish. You put it in a angle. That's how you're gonna put it, bong, like that, in an angle. That's it. And then you press it in and then you hold your nails in for like 30 seconds to put a dot in the center. Then you just put it like nail polish. You put it in an angle. And then you hold for 30 seconds. You can hold it for longer than 30 seconds, but that's up to you. Sometimes I hold it longer than 30 seconds. All right, so this is how it looks like. I'm gonna do the other ones off camera and I'll be right back. All right, so everything is on. If I want to keep the length, I would just buff the edges just to remove the pointiness of it. But I want it shorter this time, so just going to file everything. Sorry, my camera died and I'm switching over to my phone. So there you go. That's why it looks a little different. I actually kind of like this better. That's how it looks like so far. So I'm just buffing the edges here to make it a little smooth. So I'm taking this gel polish, and this is the number of the gel. Got this from Amazon, and it's a brown. We're doing brown. Like everything in me wants to do pink. For real, but we're doing brown. And it's just simple. I just paint my nails. This is something that you just gotta practice. But I like to start in the center, push the brush down, and then upwards. Same, center, push it down a little bit, and drag it up. And move your hands to guide you so it could be perfect. Down and upwards. So boom, and do this. All right, so I did my thumb off camera, so we're gonna go back in with the second coat. I'm trying to go outside my comfort zone when it comes to nail colors because I could do the same colors over and over again. So this is it. Put the whole thing in there. So we're gonna do the top coat. Pretty much it. Pretty easy. Easy peasy. So the reason why I did brown is because I saw this girl. She had this and I thought it was cute. And I was like, I never did brown before. Let me do brown. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. All right, so this is how it looks like. Boom. What do you guys think? We'll see. We'll see. Let me do the other hand and then I'll be right back with my final thoughts. All right, so I am donezo. What I like to do is I like to get my nail cleanser and kind of just wipe the stickiness off of the nails from the gel polish. And I just go over it one good time. Now I'm taking my cuticle oil. You can see how ashy my hands is. I'm just gonna go over my cuticles with it. Just drag it down all over my hands. I normally have lotion here, but I don't. I forgot to bring it. But yeah. And I've been doing my own nails, like officially doing it. I've done my own nails on and off since I was in high school, but I officially stopped going to the nail salon a year ago. And I've been doing my own nails ever since. So anytime you see me with my nails done, just best believe I did it myself. So this is how everything looks like. I like it. I think it's cool. I'm trying to venture out in different shades of color. Like I feel like I always do the same three colors: pink, red, and purple. I mean, this is just, I don't know, it's different. I like it. All right, so these are my nails. I like them. I like them. Okay. It took me a while to like warm up to it, but I think I like it. Like looking at it in the screen. Like I think this is a cool color. What do you guys think? All right, guys, I think I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.